Hi guys, welcome and welcome back to my channel. Today we'll be making this amazing recipe. So let's jump right into this video. So here we'll be making some amazingly fall off the bone oxtail. So first we are going to season our clean oxtail. Not to worry, everything that I'm using here will be in the description box. After marinating for 2.5 hours, we are going to preheat our pan, add some oil, then add some sugar and allow this to brown. After it becomes nice and foamy, make sure your heat, guys, is on really low heat. Very important, because you really do not want to burn the sugar or that will become very bitter. So you're gonna flip after caramelizing here. I did add some onions and allow this to cook in its own juice for about 35 minutes. After which I remove the lid and add some stock, that is beef stock, and water, and allow it to cook in the oven for about an hour. I remove just to add the butter beans, carrots, and peppers. Place back in the oven for about 30 minutes, and this is what it looks like after it has been taken. Please, by all means, adjust to your likeness and taste. All right, everything that I use, as I mentioned, will be in the description box. Guys, this was super delicious. Fall off the bone. I can't wait for y'all to try this one if you have not tried oxtail already. It is very delicious, and oh boy, super expensive, but it was worth it. All right, so if you guys have not yet subscribed, I would encourage you to please go ahead, hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell as well, like and share this video. All right, I love you guys, and I see you all on the next one. And still be kind to yourself and each other. Bye bye now.